Speed Comparison 3D Aircraft by Red Side. Whoa. Santos Dumont. And is this the first aircraft? The Wright? Oh yeah, I know about the Wright brothers. It might be the first one. Farman 3. 60 kilometers. Yours? Which one was yours? The Blair Yacht. Statue of Liberty. A lot of this looks like... Oh, here we go, that's a proper looking airplane. A lot of this looks like... the other one looks like modified bike, basically. Whoa. The Lutan Voyager. It's so weird of a design. Do you know what to make? Yeah. So I guess it's planes of different at the same time. I see, I see. Kilometers, and yet it has an old style design, right? It's crazy the difference. It's the engine, let me see. Douglas DC-3. Wow, the jet. Sirius. The belle Boeing. Boeing. Boeing B-29. Super Fortress. Super Fortress stuff were from World War II, right? Well, I guess maybe there's still modern one. Never been in a plane or helicopter. I've never left the ground though. Supermarine Spitfire. That's World War II, yeah? Messerschmitt 900. Max speed clarification. Because the speed of sound increases with air temperature and air temperature generally decrease with altitude, the true airspeed for a given Mach number generally decreases with altitude. As a result, the speed of sound can vary depending on the altitude. Okay, that makes sense. And other atmospheric conditions, therefore the Mach number will change depending on the altitude and other factors. For the sake of the video, the plane of the footage are flying at a lower altitude to make it easier to understand, okay? Fair enough. Phew. What is that? 1,500 kilometers. Now that's a jet fighter. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. The Sukhoi Su-57. Oh damn. That's speed. Oh. General Dynamics F-16. F-16 another name. Mach 2.5. 222. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. Wow, broke the 1,500 kilometer. A Sukhoi 27. Boom, boom. 38 million, huh? McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. Okay. The speed of passing. Yeah, the speed is increasing and increasing and increasing and increasing. I mean, where's the limit? Wow, almost 3,000 kilometers. Here we go, 3,000. And this is still from like the 80s and 90s. I mean, you'd think this is modern stuff, but no. That's crazy. That's crazy. North American XB. Oh, it's like a pen almost. What a design. Aerodynamics is really interesting. Looking at so many of the different designs. This thing is literally a pen. The Ben X2. The Lockheed, oh that's a cool one. Ah yeah, it's the fastest. What's our top speed? What a sound. Blackbird. Produced 1960. Okay. So even at the time there was already such speed. And no one is fast enough to measure our speed. This thing literally looks like a rocket. North American X-15. Wow. The wings are so small. It's literally almost a rocket. What even is this? 11,000. Mach 9. 1001. NASA, that makes sense. Alright. I feel like I've seen the design. The SR-72 Dark Star. 12,000 kilometers, Mach 10. Bruh. It looks futuristic to the max, right? And then you get an actual UFO. Fair enough. Mach 69 UFO, I assume. Alright, we've come a long way. We've come a long way, that's for sure. Yeah. Yeah. Only a few dozen kilometers back then. Okay. Is it just repeating them? Oh yeah, okay. It's just like seeing them differently. I guess we can watch. Do the time to animate all this. I used to live, I used to live in the countryside. I guess it was what I would say close, but a couple hours probably from like an airbase in France. And it was pretty common. Sometimes even like in old stream you would probably hear it with my old phone that recorded everything, right? In terms of audio. Like yeah, there would be like some jet fighter passing over our mountain range, I guess. Like I kind of lived in a valley. It was all surrounded by mountain, like the small village. And so yeah, the sound would resonate even more. And it was always insane, like, they would fly pretty low, that you would literally see them like just above the mountain range. And it was always pretty cool to, you'd hear like this crazy, almost terrifying sound, right? Like for one plane it would sound like, like louder than if 10,000 people were screaming at the same time or something. It was really like crazy sound. It's pretty awesome. Like, it's a whole different level of speed, I guess. That's for sure. But yeah, again, I've never flown myself. Like, obviously one day hope to go to another country to plane. There was one time where I could have maybe been in an helicopter. There was like an attraction one time where they just brought you in a helicopter and you could pay to ride the helicopter for like 5 minutes. But I remember it was pretty expensive, like you needed to pay 50 bucks I think or something, so it was not going to happen. That's maybe like my one ticket to get into the air. But I do have fear of heights, so like I think I'd rather be in a plane than in a helicopter. I don't know. It seems more chill. Yeah. Sukhoi Su-27. It seems more chill. Very pretty animations. It almost looks like in a game engine or something. Wonder on what it's made. Yeah, I have no idea. I have no idea. So yeah, one day maybe I'll be in a plane. I mean, for sure, like, you know, I have to go to Japan one day, at least once. I have to. So I guess I'll go by plane, right? Thanks. I like this bye-bye. Nikoyan Gurevich. It's really like incomprehensible, this kind of speeds. Like the speediest thing I've been in was probably like a train, which is only like a few hundred kilometers. You know, driving a car, I've been to 160 once. That's probably like the fastest I've been while controlling it. So, you know, it's like almost inconceivable, this kind of speed. Like it's ununderstandable for a human being, I feel like. I don't know. But I felt it, like when I was driving with my car at 160, which was basically the limit, it was struggling to go harder than that. Like, you know, it was like on a very straight road, but, you know, I was really feeling the sweatiness of it, right? Like, of that speed, of the, you know, one mistake, and the crash is obviously, you know, just, like, everything is done, everything's over, right? So again, I can't imagine, like, the pilot's feeling, driving at, like, thousands of kilometers per hour, inside a cockpit or not, you know, it's like, yeah. Okay, different POV. Or this is just for like the speed. Caesar 1. Mach 2. But it's a good representation, here we go. It's a good representation. Wow. It's insane again. Like humans, well, probably never meant to fly in the first place. And then never meant to break the sound barrier, right? Yet here we are, we've done it. The only species to rise above, or, you know, species limitation, yeah. We can't fly, well, we're gonna fly. We're gonna make some way to fly. It ain't stopping us. Damn, this is insane. Although at that kind of speed, Mach 14 or like over Mach 10, like, you know, how fast it would take to just go around the world? Yeah. This is dizzying to watch. Like, it's almost giving me an headache. I wonder what, like, in my lifetime, you know, I'll probably be dead before, like, the end of the century, right? So, you know, I do wonder, like, in my lifetime, how fast, you know, the new record will be. It's probably gonna be not with Earth, but with space, right? Like, with space, you know, there is way less limits on how fast you can go, maybe? Actually, maybe I'm wrong, because there's space debris, there's asteroids, stuff like that, so maybe you don't want to, like, go too fast. What in like you know, within our atmosphere in the sky, I guess, you know, there isn't supposed to be too much at specific heights and all that, so you can actually zoom as fast as you want. I don't know. Yeah, I do wonder what the limit will be. I do wonder. Okay, really interesting video. I mean, it's super well done animation, and again, it's pretty crazy to see how far we've come in literally like what 150 years or something, like something like that, maybe a little bit more. Amazing, crazy, crazy video. Okay, that's really something. That's really something. I mean, it's scary. It's really scary. Yeah. But I really want to fly one day again. I mean, just to go to another country and to get the experience. I do wonder again if I feel like in a plane I wouldn't be that scared, but who knows? Yeah. I do have fear of it for sure.